This is the question given and it is saying what is QR. In this case we'll use Pythagoras theorem, which I have taught you in the previous video. You can see that one. Okay, so in Pythagoras theorem, in short, what we can see, h square is equal to p square plus b square. Okay, so this is h because it is opposite to right angle. This can be either p or b. Let's talk about p, and this can be either p or b. So this is p, so we can say this one is b. Now in this case we need to find b. So to h square is equal to p square plus b square, then b is equal to b square is equal to h square minus p square, right? Because this goes this side. Now b we don't know, so h square we know, 10 square minus 6 square is equal to 100 minus 36 is equal to 64. Then b square is equal to 64, b is equal to root 64, which is equal to 80 square. This goes, then b is equal to 8. Okay, no need to write centimeter, meter or anything if not given here. If it's given like centimeter, then you need to write centimeter here. It is 8 centimeter. Therefore QR is equal to 8 centimeter. This is answer. Let's talk about next question, which is shown here. A, B, C and D. There is two sides given. This side one given and this side one is given. We need to take out this side first, then this side, and this side is given, then we need to take out this side, right? So what we need to find first? First find AC is equal to what? Second BD is equal to what? Let's do it in triangle. A, C and D means this triangle, right? So let's do it for this triangle. Okay, we'll have a triangle like this way, and here we can see it's 8, it's 6, and this one we don't know, right? We need to take out this one. So make it simple, just no need to draw this one, but for your easy understanding I have drawn this one. Okay, now what we can do, this is right angle given here, then this is hypotenuse. We need to find h. Let's suppose this one is b and this one is p. Then what we can do, h square is equal to p square plus b square, right? This is what we know, the basic formula. So we need to find h square. It's easy, so let's do this way. P square is equal to 6 square plus b square is equal to 8 square. So it's 36 plus 8 square, 8 into 8, 64 is equal to 100. That means h square is equal to 100. Then h square is equal to 10 square. 10 square is 100. This and this goes. Then h is equal to 10. Therefore AC, this AC is how much? 10 centimeter. Now again we need to find next. Let's bring this triangle below so it will be easier to understand. In triangle ABD, let's take this one, right? A, B and D means this one. If this is right angle, this is also right angle. We can draw a triangle here. This is the triangle, and now let's see the number. Okay, it's 7 here and 6 here. We need to find this one, A, D and B. We need to find B, D. This is right angle given here, so this is h. Let's do this is perpendicular and this base. Okay, now there is no angle, there is no, if this is the angle then this must be P, but in this case there is no angle, so we can keep this one is also as B or P, anything is fine. Okay, but I have kept it as P. You can keep it as B and this one is P, this one P, this one B is also okay. So let's do here, h square is equal to p square plus b square. H is given, p is given, so b square is equal to h square minus p square. P square is equal to h square, h means 7 square minus p means 6 square. B square is equal to, h is 49, b is 36, so b square is equal to 13. So b is equal to root 13 is the answer. So BD is equal to root 13. We can write in this way. Okay, this is the answer. So the answer is, first we took out as 10 centimeter, second we took out as root 13 centimeter. Okay.